Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn and this is one of the 7 kits that I picked up in the huge bundle that Spellbinders had on offer. And so let's just dive in and see what all comes in it. So this one was from March of 2022 and it's called Have a Springy Day. So I'm guessing, yes. So I did already take things out of some of their packaging just to make this a little bit easier to show on camera. But with all the kits, you get this nice kind of introduction postcard. It tells you what all comes in the kit. And then because the kit does include a die set, usually the inspiration card on the back will show you how to actually assemble the set of dies that they have included in here. We can create two characters, or really just their heads, but you've got the bunny and the sheep. Super adorable. So really cute that. So let's dive into the papers first, because this usually gives a really great idea for the color scheme. And so we have really nice cardstock. I would gauge it at maybe an 80-pound weight, cover weight. And really nice. These first 3 are very pastel. All of them look to be very spring. And then we even get white and black and gold. So really nice. And I love that we're getting some of your basics too, because white, black, gold, really fantastic. And even for bright colors, I find bright colors really pop a lot with a little bit of black maybe as a border. It really helps it to kind of really make those colors shine. So there's our solid color cardstock, and these are nice. These are solid core. And then we get a 6x6 paper pad, and this is more of a paperweight. And it, I don't know how many designs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 20 designs, and I'm guessing you get 2 sheets of each. And they are single-sided. And I'll do a quick flip through, but you can see as I flip through that the solid color cardstock that has been curated for this box really coordinates it with it very well. And this design is even foiled. So really nice that some of them, oh, this has a bit of foiling too. Oh, I like that. So really pretty, lots of florals, lots of patterns. That's a pretty print also. Oh yeah, I'm loving this. Gorgeous. Love all the colors. I really like smaller patterns because I do make USA 2 size cards. So for me, I feel like the smaller, more dense prints are a little bit easier to work with sometimes. So even something like this, which does have, the images, the graphics, because it's a small repeating pattern, I feel like just personally it's a little bit easier for me to use. Love that. So that is our 6x6 paper pad. And then we get, just in terms of, I love how you have everything you need to make some cards. So you've got your card bases here, 10 USA 2 size card bases with matching envelopes. You have some foam, and I use all of this. So it is pre-cut into squares, but then you can just start snipping away at what's left, because all of that's double-sided foam adhesive. You have a roll of double-sided adhesive tape. Little, I shouldn't say little, because this is quite a lot here, but a nice sample of some of the sequins that Spellbinders offers. So you get some of that. And then you have a lot of things that make for really, that's, every kit I feel is, has its strengths and, pros and cons, and the Spellbinders kits are really fantastic for quick card making if you don't have a lot of equipment and other tools or supplies like die cutting machines and stamp positioning tools and whatnot. Because just with what I've shown so far, plus these, to get your sentiments, to get your focal images, to add a bit of glitter and accents, right there, you have enough to create some really beautiful cards. And so that's the thing that I always look to Spellbinders kits for, because they're really fantastic for that. The other thing that I really love the kits for is mini album making. I've actually made several mini albums using kit components as ways to decorate my pages. And so it's really, really great because of all the ephemera that you get in these, pre-printed, pre-cut ephemera pack. And then in this one, we're getting some chipboard stickers and some puffy stickers with sentiments. So really, really lovely. I won't go through all of this, but one of the things, and I know I've said it before if you've ever seen a Spellbinders unboxing from me, the thing that I really appreciate about it is that even though it's going to be themed, for whatever, however this is themed, and in this case, maybe a little bit spring, a little bit Easter, you may find some things that are a little bit oddball. And that's what I really appreciate about these ephemera packs, because there may be something that feels like it's a little bit out in left field, but if that's just the thing that you need for the person that you're making a card for, it's really good fortune when you're able to stumble upon something like that. So I really, really love going through the ephemera pack and just seeing what little surprises there are. And I'm spotting this was I'm guessing from the small, if I remember right, the small die of the month. That's the little bunny that you could create with those dies. Oh, so cool how coordinated this is. Okay, so there's that. But then, so these things are all consumables. So once you use them up, you're kind of done. However, there are some components which I value quite a bit is because these are really nice stash builders. So we've got our die set, which I showed sort of a sneaky peek of. You can use to create these fun little cute little faces. And then there's a stamp set, which has a lot of really nice sentiments. Love the mix of fonts, and even some additional images. So really, really fun having both of these. And some of these dies, so you have some flowers, and that, even though that's supposed to be kind of the hair, or the, on top of the sheep's head, it could be clouds also. So I think you could totally use that for both. So that is the kit from March 2022. Have a springy day. And so I don't know when I'll craft with this kit because I did just buy 7 of them. So what I'll do though is at the end of this video, link to my Spellbinders playlist. So when I do craft with this kit, you'll find that video in that playlist. And if I can remember to do so, I'll return to this unboxing video and link directly to that project video whenever that happens. Thanks so much for joining me today. Until next time, happy crafting and have a fantastic day. Bye.